Today we're gonna be building a PC with PC parts.
No, really?
Yeah. So we got the motherboard. This.
El bol
We
del
got Corsair RM750E. You know, for people edition. We got the Ryzen 5. We got two SSDs right here, and we got the cheapest case we could find.
Alright, dame
And the PC for him, alright?
el NVMe.
And what?
The NVMe.
The NVMe. We'll be back. First, we put the NVMe.
Wait, I'm trying to see which one it goes to. So
Let me see. Stupid.
It goes to that one. Yep. Pauline, how am I supposed to build when you got the thing in my face like that?
We'll be back because he don't know how to put it on. So we figured it out. We got the screw,
If I can get the screw in there. Is this magnetic?
and we play some music. Huh?
Is this magnetic?
I hope. I don't know. Yeah, you do that.
CPU, papi.
Now we're gonna do the CPU. Let's unbox it. Let's go. Do some. So we got it out. Now we give it to Pateo.
Okay. Damn, you don't even know the way. Here's the you got to put the triangle.
Where's the triangle?
With
Where's
the
the triangle?
triangle.
Where's the
Right there,
triangle?
right there.
The triangle. Where is? I don't see shit.
The triangle with the
The triangle
triangle.
with the triangle. You fucked it up.
How do I fuck it up?
It sounds clacky.
What? Oh, I hate this feeling. Okay, it's in there now. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Don't put your greasy finger on it.
Is it yours?
All right. Then we grab one stick of RAM. Is that the right side? Is it?
DDR5. Open it, bitch.
I know. I'm trying to see if this is this side.
We'll be back. So we figured it out, and now we put in the other one. Wait, how do you know which one is which one?
You see how it says right here first? You're supposed to put it first on A2 and B2.
Oh.
Second and fourth, right?
Damn, what the fuck is
Yo, what's that, LeBron? Come down.
Did you just call him LeBron?
LeBron James.
Okay, that's good.
That's it. Now
Cooler.
what? So this is the cooler. Here, you have the cooler.
Damn, you can't open it?
What do you want me to do with everything? So now we lower it. You finished?
Why doesn't it reach?
He hasn't finished yet. We come back. Can you see it?
Something.
So we finally put it on. He's here. We struggled a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So now we open it up. We wait for him.
Okay.
Okay. El diablo. We got it off somehow. Yep. Now we take the back out.
My favorite part is doing this. You guys are gonna do that shit.
What's
I'm
that?
not doing that shit. Figure out what's what. It says it really small.
It says power. It says BTN. It says LED. Power plus. Whatever it is. So now we put the burger on the grill.
Alright, can somebody screw this in?
Huh?
Can somebody screw the motherboard in?
So now we screw it on.
Wait, that one's not even on.
Yeah, but he's gonna screw it on now.
Hold them.
Screw it. Screw you. Taking me cringe. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go in
We'll be back. So now what?
there. Start passing me some of these cables.
So now we're gonna pass in the cables. You have them. Yeah. Oh, that's the one you said like that we're gonna plug in.
No, this one.
Where's the power cables for the power cord and all that? Oh, down here.
Yeah, you wanna go this
Oh, this. Oh, this. Where? So they only fit in one spot.
Yeah. So there you go. Find the spot.
So just find the hole and you put it on.
This is the USB. I'll put it in.
Put it in.
Spit on.
Yo, can you move your hand out of the way? I'm trying to record.
Motherfucker, who's gonna build the PC?
I'm building it. You don't see me?
Did they go in on me? Is it flat? I can't see it from my angle.
Yeah, it is on.
Okay.
It is on.
Give me a second.
It is on. So now we got more cables. Do those cables just fit in one hole? Eh?
These are the fun ones. The ones that
Do
I
they
took.
fit in one hole?
What do you mean? Do they fit in one hole?
If they only fit in one hole, like this, if you plug this cable into something, it's only fit in one.
No.
So you gotta be careful.
Yeah. I gotta figure out which one's which though, because this is the annoying part. Hey, Lias.
Don't leak the case. So we're looking at the instructions.
HD LED plus and minus. That goes. Alright. Wait, let me see. Place some others. Like that. Right. Then we got. It's like Lego for it though.
We're doing a video. I'm just recording Gerald's arm.
This case comes with a reset button.
Oh, fancy.
Power. I hate how these don't tell you which one's positive and negative. Oh no, this one goes.
So you're gonna burn the computer now. What if you put it backwards, like power positive and the negative and then negative and the positive?
You just flip it.
Yeah, but what if you do when you connect it to the electricity?
Which one's positive?
Alright.
Positive? Yo, you think you get that one positive?
So after a little struggle,
Your positive goes.
you're gonna connect it.
Can somebody take my hat off? Yo, I was literally about to do that. Positive goes there. Negative goes there.
Yo, what happened to your nails?
It's like this.
Oh. That's it?
I can't see nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna GPU.
Hmm? What's that? Now we have this.
Damn, you
It's temporary.
You can't even clean it real quick?
So now we run the cables for the power supply. Right?
Yeah. That's
What's that cable? What's the cable?
The motherboard power cable.
Nah. Yeah.
Okay. Where's the CPU cable?
The what? So now we're gonna get the CPU cable. Because you need cable for the power to the CPU, right? Yeah. The front side. We're gonna CPU. Motherboard. What else?
I just need a GPU.
GPU cable. I don't find it. I find it right here. So now we put another SSD. This guy's building another computer over there. What? You don't know where it goes?
No, I'm trying to think about how to make this look pretty, but I don't think there's a way to make it look pretty.
So after all, we did make it cleaner. Can you help to again?
No, the back is gonna look ugly as fuck. The back is gonna be ugly as fuck.
Look at the back.
Who cares about the bag?
Just put a bag over it.
You see? It look cute.
Let me get the GPU.
The what?
But take that off first.
I know, but I want to see which two spots I gotta take off.
Two spots. Oh yeah. Is the other one like that too? You didn't do shit to it.
Pero está mejor.
It looks exactly the same. We take these screws
This motherfucker just keeps putting it in my face.
because you need light.
Pause.
You want me to put it on your face again?
All right, Pauline.
What happened? Yo, stop blocking the camera, boy.
Do I gotta take all these off?
We'll be back again. So now we put it on. Happy.
I will Peter.
Easy. Easy. What? Trying to do a video.
Yeah.
So this is the mess we have on the back. ¡Cállate!
El supply de power.
Damn, this is gonna be hard to tuck because of how skinny this case is.
We just zip tie it and just jam the lid on the back.
The fuck is this one for? CPU.
Why you putting it like that now?
Oh, I gotta go like that.
Too big.
Cause it's easier, and then you just put it.
Oh no, it goes. So you connect the CPU, the motherboard, the SSD, the fans, and what else? And that's it. Oh, the GPU is so old that you don't need no cable for it, right? Yep. So we'll be back if it turns on. We're gonna test. So everything plugged in. Oh shit!
Kaboom.
I don't think the power supply works. The GPU. It did. Is that good? What's that?
Oh, we need a mouse. We need a mouse.
Okay, take mine. That's the white one. That's for the keyboard.
Well, we need both.
All right. So I got the black one
El negro.
and the keyboard. Where's the keyboard?
Behind me.
Where?
Press that on me.
Where? Why we don't move it out of the way? Or put the...
I know working. I know working.
Huh? Connected directly to the motherboard.
Oh yeah, I forgot stuff like this.
Give me the mouse.
Why isn't it turning on?
Because
Says press F1.
No keyboard detected.
you gotta be wired.
Maybe. Nothing. It doesn't say keyboard detected.
So it doesn't happen to you. You have to plug it in first and then turn on the computer. Wait, you just click OK?
Yeah, it was just asking which SD card has Windows.
Oh, do we know?
Yeah, the M2.
Oh.
Now we're up and running.
Oh my goodness. So the computer is on. Now we're gonna fix this, put everything back together. We did pay for Windows. We don't got the watermark because we like that. We buy the full license at Best Buy. Yeah.
How about we turn this off and clean this up first?
Alright, we'll be back. We're gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna show you the final product. We're done! Yeah, boy! Alright. So the computer is complete. Everything running perfectly. And this is the tutorial of how not to build a computer, especially from this guy.